Right now, we are in the village of Satnam Singh, Naib Subedar Satnam Singh, who attained the martyrdom in Ladakh, Galwam Valley. In fact, I can show you the visuals inside his house just because there are a number of people who are here to pay tribute to Satnam Singh just because he belongs to a family of the soldiers. His brother is also serving in the Indian Army. In fact, Satnam Singh, Martyr Satnam Singh, was survived by his wife and one son and a daughter also. And in fact, son Prabhjot Singh is quite enthusiastic. He said, if I get any chance to serve in Indian Army, I will definitely do that. And in fact, that would be my first preference. This is the kind of words from the side of a son of Martyr Satnam Singh. In fact, you can see all people are waiting for the remaining mortars to be arrived just because since morning the people are here. And in fact, these all villages, in fact the entire nation is being crowned just because they have attained the martyrdom while facing and fighting the Chinese troops. In fact, the all the people are here. They're talking about the bravery and brave hearts of those Naib Subedar Satnam Singh just because they have spent so many time here in the village. In fact, Niranjan, if you talk about the last meeting with the family members in the month of March, he has resumed his after 2 months of holidays, and the last conversation with the family was that he advised the entire family to concentrate on the studies of his son. In fact, he was guiding his son to concentrate on the studies and to achieve something in the life. And last conversation that he had around a week back, when he told the family that he is moving towards the Galwam Valley, maybe he will not get connected for a few days, but he will definitely come back. In fact, you can see these all are the people who are just talking about the memories of Martyr Satnam Singh just because he spent a lot of time here in the village. In fact, he was involved in the several kind of social activities as well. And right now they are waiting for the remaining mortars of every arrangement is being done by here in the village. In fact, everyone is in deep shock. The family is entirely in deep shock, but meanwhile they are also having a proud feeling that the family members have contributed their life for the nation. And in fact, we are here. I can show you the brother of Satnam Singh, Sukhchand Singh. He with a covered mask in a white t-shirt, and in fact we would like to talk to him also. Sukhchand Singh is also serving in Indian Army. सुखचैन जी, काफ़ी दुखदायक घटना है कि आपके भाई जो हैं वो लड़ते हुए शहीद हो गए, तो आप भी एक फ़ौजी हैं, तो किस तरह से आपको लगता है कि किस तरह इस सारी घटना को वहाँ पे अंजाम दिया गया? और फ़ौजी का खून हमेशा खौलता है जब कोई दुश्मन आके इस तरह की हरकत कर जाए।
देखो, मेरे भाई को इस हादसे का जाम पिया है और मेरे को इसके ऊपर बहुत गर्व है, क्योंकि हमारे मतलब कि पूरी जो फैमिली है मैं पहले फ़ौजी थे और उनकी प्रेरणा के सदका ही मैं पीछे फ़ौज में गया और नेक्स्ट मैं दूसरा नंबर पे मेरा नंबर था और शहादत का जाम पिया और हमारा ये फैमिली का पहला शहीद है। और हमारे को दुख की बात यह है कि मेरे बड़े भाई थे और इनके पीछे पीछे मैं फ़ौज में गया था और इनकी प्रेरणा को मैं चलता रहा हूँ, इसका दुख है मेरे को।
आखिरी बातचीत आपकी क्या हुई थी उनसे और कब हुई थी?
आखिरी बातचीत यही होती रहती थी, बात व्हाट्सएप में हालचाल ही पूछते थे हम, ठीक ठाक है कोई, लेकिन फौज के रिलेटिव को ऐसी बात नहीं करते हम कि मतलब कि उसका सिक्योरिटी रीजन होता है, सिक्योरिटी को बात नहीं करते हम।
जब आप फौज में गए तो उनको देख के प्रेरित हुए, वही आपको बताते थे कि आप भी इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन करो?
बिल्कुल, जो 1 साल पहले मेरे को भर्ती हुई थी कि उनको देख के मैं फ़ौज में गया, तो यही उन्होंने बताया था मेरे को भी ऐसे फ़ौज में जाना है, ऐसे रहना फ़ौज में, तो उनसे सीखा था मैंने।
अभी भी आप इंडियन आर्मी के एक फ़ौजी हैं। चाइना की इस हरकत पर एक फ़ौजी का खून ज़रूर खौलता होगा, क्योंकि 20 लोग, अब 20 जवान जो हैं वो शहीद हो चुके हैं, एक ऑफिसर समेत।
मेरा अकेले का खून नहीं खोलता, जितने भी फौजी जहाँ पे आए हुए हैं या बैठे हुए हैं सभी का खून खोलता है, चाहे वो रिटायरमेंट है चाहे वो सर्विसमैन है। लेकिन मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि जे भी कहीं टक्कर हो गई चाइना के साथ, तो उनको ये बताएँ कि भाई मेरे मन में ये बदले की भावना रहेगी कि मेरे भाई ने शहादत का जाम पिया है, तो मैं भी इनके साथ साध का जाम पी जाऊँ, लेकिन मैं अपने भाई का बदला जरूर लूँगा।
So in fact, Narendran, this is a very big thing that Sukhchaiyan Singh, who is the brother of Martyr Satnam Singh, he is very much enthusiastic, and in fact he wants to fight against this Chinese troops just because his brother, and in fact among those 20 martyrs, those 20 brave hearts who have who attained the martyrdom in this fight, and this is the kind of feeling from the side of the family, and they are still proud that their family members has attained the martyrdom for the country. Yes, Niranjan.